Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. So today in this video I'll be sharing cabbage coat. Can you believe this is actually delicious low calorie recipe which can be prepared within 20 minutes? Shocking, isn't it? So without any further delay, let's get started. In a pressure cooker I'm taking 1 cup, that is 150 grams of yellow moong dal. To that I'm adding 1 big glass of water. We're going to pressure cook this for 3 whistles. Okay, let's check. The dal is really cooked well. To this I'm going to add chopped cabbage, 250 grams or a big bowl of it. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix really well. Let this cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now in a blender I am taking some coconut chunks, a small bowl of it, some coriander leaves, 4 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of jeera, some water and blend it to fine paste. This looks absolutely great. Let's add this to the cabbage and dal. Combine everything really well. While this is cooking on low flame, in a pan, I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 sprig of curry leaves, break 2 red chilies, and half a teaspoon of hing as a fotida. Saute until aromatic. Let's add this to the dal. Mix really well and let it cook for a minute. And it's done. You can have this with hot steamed rice, and guys, it's heaven. Do give it a try. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya.